Hi guys, in this video I show you how to easily create a landing page, for example to promote YouTube videos, including a call to action to subscribe. You can of course be flexible and add any call to action. And the best thing is you don't need any coding skills at Base44. Let's get started. Once you open base44.com on your browser, you will see this page. Without even logging in, you can already describe the app or website you want to create. So I'm gonna be very precisely and I'm gonna type, please create a one-page landing page to promote YouTube videos. The placeholder for the YouTube video must be replaceable, so I can use this landing page for different YouTube videos. Also add call to action, for example, subscribe for more. The call to action must be also possible to add a subscribe link. After tapping on this orange button with the arrow, it's going to ask you for logging in. Of course, you can do it with your Google account. So I'm gonna log in with my Google account. And then you can see that Base44 is working and creating the landing page. On the left side, you can see that Base44 is describing the app or website. On the bottom left corner, there's a text box which you can use for discussing things, add or change, make some modifications on your website or app. After finishing, on the right side, you can see the app or website. Often it's already perfect and you can use it, but I'm gonna change the default YouTube video right here inside. So I'm just gonna use one of my videos, and for the subscribe link, I'm gonna change it to my personal YouTube channel subscribe link. On the top right corner, it is possible to publish this website. Use the default domain from Base44 for free. You can even change its name or just buy a starter plan and connect your own domain. If I open a new tab and paste in the link of my website, you can see the landing page is working perfectly. Also the call to action right here to subscribe is also working. And that's it. Thank you for watching.